guys, I'm all loaded up, headed to the track. Going to go racing in the Exocet today. It's gonna be some road course stuff in Hastings. The weather not looking great, not gonna lie. It's not looking great. It's really cloudy. There's a chance of rain all day, chance of thunderstorms all day. So we're running rain or shine. But if there's lightning, obviously they're gonna stop us. As soon as the lightning stops, then we get to go back on. So I guess we'll see how it goes. I mean, if it's just like misting or like a light rain, I'm fine with that. But if it's like a heavy rain, I'm gonna have a bad time. Because obviously I'm gonna get really, really wet. But that's all right, racing is racing. So I'm getting on the road here. It's quite, it's a decent drive, but we'll be there shortly and we'll get unloaded and, check out some of the other guys that are racing, because I think they're doing like a class in the morning, like like an instruction, HPD kind of thing. So I might be able to see, there might be some other drivers on a track. I don't know, maybe they're only doing classroom in the morning and they're doing racing in the afternoon. Not sure. We'll see what it looks like when we get there though, so stay tuned. I'm out here at the track. I'm a tent set up just in case if I can start pouring raining. It's actually not raining right now. The sun is like half-assed trying to come out, so maybe it'll be okay. I don't know. Can't quite see the rest of the cars. There's a bunch of cars that are kind of around the corner, but yeah, this is a really nice place. I just went to use their bathroom. Like their bathroom in there is like nicer than a lot of places that I go. It's really nice here. It's amazing. Check out this fucking rig, guys. Jesus. I just got done with the driver's meeting. Turns out they're putting me in a class all of my own because I'm open wheeled, so I guess I get the track to myself, which I guess that's fine. It doesn't really matter to me, but especially since I don't really know this track. I've driven on it, but I haven't like raced on it, so I kind of know it, but not enough to be that great. And it's a short day. I'm only gonna get like 3 sessions, but we'll see what we can do. Hopefully the rain stays away. Right now it's still dry. The sun's been out a couple times and it's actually getting kind of warm, so we'll see. I'm just letting it warm up. I'm like the second run group, so I gotta wait for those guys, and then we'll get out there. Hopefully, I got my GoPro hooked up. Hopefully you guys actually be able to see something. I don't have any great spots. I need to get some better roll bar, or like some roll bar mounts or something for GoPros, but yeah, let's see what we can do. First session was pretty good. I had some problems with the transponder. My normal transponder, I usually use my GPS receiver thing. it just like, I tried charging last night and like the battery, I don't know, it didn't really work. But I had my my draggy with me, so I used that. First time I've actually used it on the track, and it actually worked really good. I might, I don't know, I might keep using that if it's, you know, gonna work that good. I don't know what my time means because I have no idea what's fast here, so I guess I'm just, you know, fighting the battle against myself, you know. There's a couple corners that I like really not entirely sure what to do about them, so I'm kind of working them out. So hopefully it gets better. We'll see. Well, been waiting in the paddock for about an hour now. There was a Corvette that went out there and he oiled the whole track down. Had an oil line come loose, and about 3/4 of the track, he just kept in it. Didn't even notice. So they've been out there trying to clean it. I mean, the good news is the sun came out. Like, it's fully out. It's pretty nice out here, actually. Kind of under my little canopy. It's pretty good. Hopefully we can get back out there. I can get at least one more run in there today. I mean, I only got the one. Nice to go out one more time, but you know what? That's all right. At least I got to run once. That's fine. That's good. Packed up, headed back home. That went really good. We only got that extra, you know, that one extra run since that oil down. So I only got to run twice, but that's okay. I still improved on my second go out there, and I feel pretty good about it. There's a couple corners I definitely need to work on, but yeah, I was starting to feel it out. I was starting to feel it, you know, how the car was doing, because I did switch tires since last year, and I wasn't sure how they were going to do. I will say, so far, I'm not a huge fan of these tires. They feel a little, I don't know, they felt good up until they got really hot, and then they started to get a little bit greasy, which I never experienced with my other tires. I had heard that was a thing with these tires, that basically everything I'd heard about these. So what I have on there right now is the Falcon RT660s, and basically what I had heard is that they're a little bit better than what I was running, which was the Hankook RS4s. As far as like you know, grip and stuff, like it's just a tiny bit better they don't last as long, and then they get greasy when they get really hot. And yeah, so that's unfortunate. But honestly, at the time I was looking for tires, they were the only ones I could buy. You couldn't buy the RS4s, they were on back order, so it is what it is. But other than that, the car performed flawlessly, didn't have any issues. Everything seemed to work, exception of that transponder that I was talking about, like the GPS receiver thing. Wasn't working. I'm gonna figure out what the fuck's going on with that. But my Dragy worked fine. It recorded both times, and my GoPro seemed to work this time, which is usually not the case. But yeah, so good day, all in all. All right, so I got a little bit more for you in this video. I'm gonna go to the Blair Cruise Night, and then there's also a car show tomorrow, so I'm going to show you a little bit of that stuff. Yeah, maybe you like it, maybe you won't. I don't know. Just a little bit of extra for you guys. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it. Exocet did great this weekend, I didn't have any overheating problems. There were really no issues with the car at all. It did great. I've got another track day coming up in a couple weeks. I'm really looking forward to that. So hopefully we'll do good, because it'll be, at the home track. So I've been there a bunch of times, so I can actually compare and see, if I'm getting any better or worse or whatever. But, yeah. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll have some more Exocet stuff. I know I definitely have some Mini Cooper stuff, because if you hear that in the background, that's some coolant draining, which we'll talk about on that video. But yeah, until next time, like, subscribe, do the things. Peace out.